Right now, there is a substance sitting in the bottom of your fireplace that you sweep into a bucket and throw in the trash. After the grid dies, that grey powder becomes one of the most valuable raw materials you can put your hands on. And the cruelest part, your great-grandparents knew this. They knew 20 different ways to use wood ash, and somewhere in the last 3 generations we got rich enough and lazy enough to forget every single one of them. Listen close, because when the supply chain seize up and the shelves go bare, the people who survive comfortably will not be the ones with the biggest stockpile of disposable wipes. They will be the ones who understand that a hardwood fire produces, as a byproduct, a chemical factory. Ash is roughly potassium carbonate, calcium carbonate, and a scatter of trace minerals. That mix is alkaline, abrasive, absorbent, and faintly antiseptic. Once you understand those 4 properties, the uses write themselves. Here are 21 of them. Pay attention, because every one of these replaces something you currently buy in a plastic bottle. 1. Lye for soap. This is the crown jewel. Pour water slowly through a barrel of hardwood ashes, and what drips out the bottom is potassium hydroxide solution, real lye. Boil that lye with rendered animal fat, and you get soft soap. This is how every farm family on Earth stayed clean for centuries. When your last bar of Dove is a memory, ash plus fat equals hygiene. 2. Scouring and cleaning. Ash is mildly abrasive and mildly alkaline at the same time, which makes it a near-perfect pot scrubber. Damp a rag, dip it in ash, and scour the burnt crust off a cast iron pan or the grease off a glass. It cuts fat because it literally begins turning the fat into soap on contact. 3. Ice melt. The grid is down, the roads are glass, and you need to get to the woodpile without breaking a hip. Ash thrown on ice does 2 things. The dark grey absorbs sunlight and speeds melting, and the gritty texture gives you traction immediately. No rock salt required. 4. Pest deterrent. A dry ring of ash around your seedlings is a wall that slugs and snails will not cross because it desiccates their soft bodies. Dust it on cabbage leaves to drive off beetles. The catch is it only works dry, so reapply after rain. 5. Soil amendment. Wood ash is rich in potassium and raises pH fast. If your garden soil is acidic and your tomatoes are sulking, a careful sprinkle of ash worked into the bed feeds them and sweetens the ground. Careful is the key word. More on that later because this one can wreck you. 6. Water filtration char. The charcoal chunks left in your ash, the black ones, are crude activated carbon. Crush them, layer them in a sand and gravel column, and run cloudy water through. It will pull tannins, some chemicals, and a lot of the smell and color. It will not kill pathogens, so you still boil after, but it turns swamp water into something you can stand to drink once it is boiled. 7. Tooth cleaning. A fine pinch of cool ash on a wet finger or a frayed twig scrubs plaque off teeth. It is abrasive and alkaline, which neutralizes the acids that rot enamel. Mix it with a little charcoal and salt, and you have a tooth powder that beats a fuzzy mouth and rotting molars when the toothpaste is long gone. 8. Odor control. Ash is a desiccant and a deodorizer. A scoop in the bottom of your composting toilet kills the smell, dries the waste, and cuts the flies. The same scoop in a stinking fridge or a musty cellar pulls moisture and stink out of the air. 9. Tanning hides. When you kill an animal for meat, the hide is a gift you cannot waste. Lye made from ash is what loosens the hair so you can scrape it off and turn raw skin into usable leather, and the bucking solution that starts that whole process. No ash, no leather. 10. Fire banking and fire starting. Rake a thick blanket of ash over your live coals at night, and they will smolder until morning. So you wake to a fire you can revive with a breath, instead of striking a precious match. Ash insulates and starves the coals of just enough oxygen to keep them alive but slow. 11. Preserving eggs. Pack fresh, unwashed eggs in dry ash in a crock, and they will keep for months without refrigeration. The ash seals the porous shell from air and seals out bacteria. Generations of people ate eggs in February this way. 12. Lye hominy and nixtamalization. Soak dried corn in ash water, and the kernels swell, the hulls slip off, and something quietly miraculous happens. The niacin locked in the corn becomes available to your body. People who ate corn without this step got the deficiency disease pellagra and died. Ash literally makes corn safe to live on. 13. Drying agent for stored goods. A shallow tray of ash in your root cellar or gun safe pulls humidity out of the air the way those little silica packets do, keeping rust, mold, and rot at bay. 14. Compost accelerator and balancer. A light dusting of ash in the compost pile adds minerals and tames the acid stink. Keep it light. Too much will choke the bacteria doing the work. 15. Polishing metal and glass, mixed with a drop of water into a paste. Ash brings a shine back to tarnished silver, dulled brass, and grimy windows. It is the original metal polish, sitting in your stove. 16. Wound and skin care, with caution. A thin paste of cooled ash has a mild drying, alkaline, antiseptic action that old-timers patted on minor scrapes, an athlete's foot. This is a last-ditch field measure, not medicine, and never on a deep or dirty wound. 17. Soaking up spills. Oil, grease, blood, fuel on the floor. Ash drinks it up like sawdust, and then you sweep the whole mess away. Free absorbent, always on hand. 18. Dust bath for poultry. Give your chickens a box of dry ash, maybe mixed with sand, and they will roll in it to smother the lice and mites that would otherwise bleed them dry. Your birds will thank you the only way they can, with eggs. 19. Discouraging weeds and clearing paths. A heavy, repeated dose of ash on a path you want bare will raise the pH and load the soil with salts until little grows there. Use this deliberately because the same power that clears a path can poison a garden bed. 20. Fertilizing fruit trees and root crops. Potassium is the nutrient that builds strong fruit and fat roots. A measured scattering of ash around the drip line of an apple tree or over a bed of beets and potatoes feeds exactly the part of the plant you want to grow. 21. Making potash for glass, glaze, and trade. Leach ash, boil the liquid down, and the white residue is potash, the same potassium carbonate that for centuries was a frontier cash crop used to make glass, pottery glaze, and fertilizer. In a world that has forgotten how to make these things, the person who can is wealthy. Now the part the cheerful homestead videos skip, because it can hurt you. Wood ash is alkaline and caustic. Real lye burns skin and blinds eyes, so you handle it with gloves and goggles, and respect the same way you would handle drain cleaner. Because chemically, that is what it is. Only ever use ash from clean, untreated hardwood. Ash from painted lumber, pressure-treated wood, plywood, or trash carries heavy metals and poisons, and you do not want that in your soap, your soil, or your gut. Never dump ash thoughtlessly on the garden, because too much will spike the pH, lock up nutrients, and salt your ground until nothing grows. And the charcoal filter trick cleans water. It does not sterilize it, so you still boil before you drink. Respect the chemistry and ash serves you. Disrespect it, and it bites. Here is the truth your great-grandparents understood in their bones. Nothing on a homestead was waste. The fire that cooked the food and warmed the house also left behind the soap, the fertilizer, the medicine, and the preservative. They lived in a closed loop because they had no choice, and that closed loop is exactly the knowledge that keeps a person alive when the trucks stop coming. You have been trained your whole life to consume and discard. The grid going down is just the moment that training gets you killed. So tonight, before you sweep that bucket of grey powder into the trash, stop and ask yourself which of these 21 things you would rather have. Because the people who remember are never truly out of supplies. They just go look in the bottom of the fire. Stay sharp. Stay ready and keep your fire burning, because the ash is half the reason you lit it.